Talk, supplement talk. There's always been a level of skepticism when it comes to supplements. There's a viewpoint it's a one-size-fits-all industry, meaning they're all the same. This couldn't be further from the truth. Like anything in life, it comes down to the integrity of the company. You'll find excellent, you'll find good, and you'll find junk. How can you tell if supplements fit into one of these categories? The junk is easier to spot because the ingredients will list artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, and other undesirable ingredients. You can go online and look up reviews, but there's no way to know the motive of these posts. Please elaborate. I have to go off topic for a moment. I'll never forget the time I read a review for an Apple computer store where the person was upset they couldn't find any Microsoft or Google laptops in the store.
Anybody home?
I don't know if they're trying to be funny or serious. Me neither. Ask your company if they have third-party studies and have those studies been published in a top medical journal. Guess what the answer is 99% of the times? Zero. Zip. Nada. You've officially entered the no clinical data zone. Could it be they have something to hide? They'll tell you that they have in-house studies, but those studies won't tell you where their products fall short. Studies done at a reputable university ensures there's no way for the company to influence the results, even if they pay for the studies. Likewise, no reputable medical journal is going to publish biased data. Follow me for more wellness tips. Share this with anyone who likes this information.